Alright, it is -8. And the little fella's, he's ready. Right, Ted? Alright. There, Ted. Whew. Oh, it is cold, man. Alright, I gotta start my car first. -8 degrees. Wowzers. Wow. Oh yeah. Yikes.
Accept 1 inch of border wall.
Don't know what that noise is, but alright, got the defroster on. Oh yeah, car does not like this. Alright. See if the door closes. Yeah, the door doesn't like closing when it gets real cold. Holy sh! Alright, Ted, let's go. Let's go. Wow, it is cold out. Oh, what's that, Ted? Fox tracks? Looks like it. So, 8 degrees, they've closed a lot of the schools in the area. Quite honestly, I really don't know when this trend started. But it's kind of annoying because they never used to close the schools when I was going to school. When I was going to school, the buses ran. You know, we never had any times when they said, "Oh, it's just too cold. We're going to shut down school." Now they shut down school sometimes when the snow was too deep for the buses to get through. But as far as them shutting down because of cold weather, no, that never happened. Not once. If the snow got deep, our bus driver chained up. Hey, Ted, are you about done already? Hey? You done? Come on, let's head back. Let's head back. Yep. 8 degrees. He's rugged, but 8 degrees sucks, boy. And I think he peed and then stepped in it, and then I think it froze on his foot. So hey, that's kind of his bad. But yeah, -8. That is cold.